And there's some breaking news coming in at this point in time. The MPs from the INDIA bloc are gearing up to introduce the no confidence motion against Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, with 70 MPs backing the move. The opposition parties, including Congress, TMC, Aam Aadmi Party and Samajwadi Party, have all united over the allegation of bias, claiming Dhankar's comments have undermined their position. Let's go across to my colleague Sabyasachi joining us on the broadcast. More on this. Sabyasachi, give us more details. Now we have learned that they've together managed to gather 70 signatures, and it seems that the India bloc is united on this particular issue.
Well, absolutely. See, in the month of August, the 70 prominent MPs from the various opposition parties have signed the motion against Rajya Sabha Chairman Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar. Now, at that particular time, the action was not initiated, but it was kept on hold. Now, the Congress party has initiated the motion, and they have said that they have the support of the Trinamool Congress, the Samajwadi Party, the Aam Aadmi Party as well. Now, the Trinamool Congress also feels that the motion should be brought against Chairman Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar because the Rajya Sabha is not able to function. Now the Congress is spearheading this entire move. Now the Congress has been levelling allegation against Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar, stating that the Rajya Sabha chairman has been biased towards certain MPs from the centre and has not been given adequate time to the opposition member of parliament to raise their issue. Now they also claim that whenever the leader of opposition, Mallikarjun Kharge, tried to speak on pressing issues that is going across in the country or tried to raise something, he was interrupted abruptly or his mic was stopped. Now that is the reason why the Congress party, which is spearheading the move, is planning to bringing in the no confidence motion against Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar, and the Trinamool Congress, the Aam Aadmi Party, as well as the other political parties are going to extend their support. Now they have received the sign of 70 MP in the month of August during the monsoon session itself. So on the other hand, Mr.
So you're telling us that they managed to get these signatures during the monsoon session of Parliament, and now they plan to take action in this particular